Okay guys, so we're back with Jennifer's Chevy truck, and we're trying to mount the trailer brake. And initially we wanted to put it here, but number one, the bracket, I mean, we could just make new holes, but it would stick out too far, and the harness here in the back. We've experimented with a couple other places, and the best place that we found was to put it right here. But we're gonna talk with the customer or the client first, because it does block, your park reverse. Wow, English. Park, reverse, neutral, drive, etc. So we don't want to, or I don't want to go ahead and do this without permission or something, because me personally, I wouldn't want to block it. So I think we should rather just talk to her first, see if she's okay with it, and then we'll go from there. But in the meantime, I'm gonna mount all the wiring from the battery and the trailer hitch back there and everything. So we'll see you later, guys.